You are absolutely correct. Us teachers, we do only work 8 to 9 months of the year. It is ridiculous. I did a little bit of math here because of how ridiculous it is that we only work 8 to 9 months of the year. So I'm a fourth grade teacher. I shared in a recent video here on TikTok that in my first year of teaching, I earned $31,000 as a fourth grade general education classroom teacher. I work from about 7 to 5, which is roughly 10 hours a week. Multiply that by 5. Because there are 5 days in a week, that is 50 hours. Multiply that by 4, which is about 200 hours that I work a month. I also am going to add 10 additional hours per week because if I look at my calendar, I have a lot of meetings and events and things like that as a fourth grade teacher that I'm required to attend. So this week, for example, right now it's 6 o'clock in the evening. I have conferences that go until 8 o'clock. I also have conferences next week on Monday and Wednesday to meet with all of my families. It's just an example. So I feel like this additional 10 hours a week is really just a minimum of what I am doing, thinking about all of the lesson planning and grading and communication with coworkers and families and administration. So it's roughly 240 hours a month, probably more if we're being honest, but let's say 240 hours times the 9 months that I'm working, right? So only 9 months. That's 2,160 hours of work. If I take that $31,000 salary that I earned in my first year of teaching, $31,000 divided by 2,160, that is $14 an hour to be a fourth grade classroom teacher. That's $14 an hour before taxes are taken out. I don't want to come off as ungrateful. I'm not ungrateful because I absolutely love what I do and I would not trade being an educator for anything. I am incredibly grateful to be in this field. But what I am hoping that we have conversations about is the fact that teachers who are only working for 8 to 9 months of the year, who are being paid inappropriately for the amount of work that they are doing, it is a problem here in the United States of America, and it is a conversation that we certainly are needing to have.